So I'm starting off with my Pond's oil control.
You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right. We're losing track.
Next, I'll be using my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in Coconut 355.
We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down.
Next, I'll be contouring my LA Girl Concealer in Warm Honey. Next, I'll be using my Sacha Butter Cosmetic Powder. I really love this powder. It's my go-to setting powder.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us.
So while my face is setting, I'm just going to go into my brows using my Eversheen pencil. It is a pencil that is dark and I really love this pencil. It is very soft. So I'm just going to brush my brow with my spoolie and start filling my brows. So I'm just going to go back to my concealer for my brows to outline it. I'll also be using my foundation as well. So I'll be using my concealer brush. I love to define my brows, so I'm going to be using my foundation for the upper part before I go on to the concealer for this side. And then to my concealer. For my brow bone, because this is the area that is usually highlighted. It is the area that is naturally bright around your eyes when light reflects on it. Okay, so while my face is temporarily done like so, I'm just going to go into the eyeshadow, and this is a gold glam, guys. It is absolutely going to be gorgeous. So I'll be using this rose gold remastered palette by Huda Beauty, and I'm using this dark shade, it's brown, to contour. It's almost like a plum brown shade. I like the fact that it's not really dark. So I'm just brushing it onto the transition color that I used earlier, like so, from the outer corner to the top of my crease, right here. So it blended with this color. I'm really in love with this gold color on this palette, and this is the gold we're going to be using for this look. So you want to take this flat C brush for the eyeshadow. I really love it. I took it above my crease slightly because I have hooded eyes. This is so that when I look up like so, you can see the eyeshadow.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us.
So I'm just going to blend it with the contour. I'm not applying the gold all the way to the end. Doesn't look bad, does it? So I'm just blending at the meeting point where my contour and my shimmering gold eyeshadow is. I'm just going to take it slightly above my crease. Like I explained earlier, because of the hooded eyes. Just trying to smoothen the edges. So I'm going to be applying a little black. This black is very black, so I'm just going to take very little to make the contour more pronounced. The goal is not to let the black outshine the previous color, so I'm going to go back to that color. And then back to this orange color. So I'm going back to this Sacha Butter Cosmetic Powder for my highlights. So I'm just applying a reasonable amount on my brow bone. Next is my LA Color eyeliner. The writings on it are cleaned off, but it's still quite new. So next is my black kohl pencil by Secrets. So I'm just lining my waterline with it. So I'm going back with a bit of gold for my eyes. I'm really particular about the gold. Next is my Milani powder in warm 109. I'm just going to apply it all over to set my face. Back to my eyes, I'm using Zaron mascara. And I'm using the Super Stay powder by Maybelline. It is a dark powder in Java 375 to contour my face. So I'm using this brush from BH Cosmetics. I'm going to make sure that you blend it out because it's really dark. For my jawline, side of my head, and back to my jawline on this side. So my eyelash is prepped with glue, and I'm just going to place it on my lash. I like to use my fingers. I'm doing this for quite a while now, so I'm used to it. So now that our eyes is looking popping, I might as well just go into the lips and so we can finish the look. So I'm using this Zaron lip liner in Cupertino to line my lips. Next, I'll be using this Zara lip liner as well. It is Fussy Fuchsia. It's like a fuchsia pink color. So I'm just going to go into this hot pink lipstick by BH Cosmetics. It's very hot. I have to blend out the lipstick properly. Going back to the brown lip liner. So I'll be using my concealer brush to define my upper lip. Going back to the initial orange that I used, I'm going to apply it for my under eye. I used it earlier for my transition, so doing some right here. So this is a gold glam, guys. I absolutely love this makeup, and I really like the fact that I did not use red lipstick, which is, you know, gold eyes and red lipstick. I love the fact that I used pink lipstick, and I would really love for you guys to take a ride with me and see how I created this look. It is absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and tell me what you want me to do for you next time. Love you.
So can we just stop?